How to fix Google Chrome browser is not loading websites, or websites are not being loaded properly. Now the first thing you'll need to do is to click on the three vertical points right here in the top right. Go to settings. Now you want to go to the privacy and security on the left menu and click on it. Now you want to clear your browsing data. Click on delete browsing data. And then you want to select the time range of all time. And then you want to select browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files. And then you want to also check site settings and then hosted app data. And then you want to click on delete data button here to clear all the data. And once it's done, you can try to restart your browser. So close down Chrome and then open it up again and check by going to the website to see if that fixes the loading issue. And if the issue still persists, you want to click on the three vertical dots here. And this time you want to go to extensions and then manage extensions. And sometimes extensions can cause issues with websites and loading websites. So you want to make sure to go through all your extensions and disable them one by one. And once they're all disabled, you want to open up a new tab and then navigate to your website or URL again. And if that still did not work for you, one last thing you can do is to go to the settings again and then go to privacy and security, go to security tab or option, and then scroll down and make sure to switch safe browsing from enhanced to standard. And then you want to scroll down and under use secure DNS, enable this option if it's not enabled. And then you want to select DNS providers, for example, Google Public DNS or Cloudflare. I'm going to use Google. And once you select that, you want to restart your browser again. And then if you navigate to your website, this should fix the loading issue. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.